he got me. They got me.
Well,
Let me ask you if I'm in trouble. You got shit on you?
no. I don't think so.
You guys, has this been going on all night?
Fuck 4th of July, man. We're here for an alarm.
Hey,
What's up, man?
in my neighborhood over on 23rd is doing it. 32nd is doing the same thing.
Yeah,
Just fucking nuts. You guys be careful.
you as well, man.
Hey, what is the law on us letting off? Can we do anything in our neighborhood over on Villa?
No,
Where can we?
outside the city limits.
Okay, so if 4 acres,
That's 4 acres property.
right? But it's outside OKC, right?
4 acres, right?
All right, I got you. All right, you guys have a good night.
You as well.
Be careful.
Is this together? Lawnmower shit?
I thought he got me, dude.
No, they didn't see you.
I thought he got me, so I fucking was like, oh man,
Mea culpa?
motherfucker. Huh?
You gonna do a mea culpa?
Yeah.
Said there was an alarm over there.
I thought he got me, dude. You see what I'm saying? They got
Yeah.
in the car.
Yeah. This seemed pretty cool, actually.
Unfucking believable, dude. Dude, unfucking believable. I let it off and there's 2 cop cars there,
Right in front
dude.
of us. Oh shit, we got the whole thing on tape.
Dude, unfucking real. I pulled up.